We are packing medicines for the trip. All the essentials.
फार्मेसी खोलेंगे भाई वहाँ जाके
We already have एक बैग 23 kgs का जो कम्प्लीटली भर चुका है विद घर का खाने का सामान और जो मेरे भाई ने ऑर्डर कर रखा है जो उसको इंडिया से चाहिए. एंड देन दिस इज द नेक्स्ट 23 kgs वाला बैग. एंड देन 2 more we are probably gonna put for clothes and stuff.
सात्विक's favorite thing.
Shut up, dude. After spending 50 minutes on the bike, stress levels इतने ज़्यादा पीक हो चुके थे that we just had to come straight and sit at a bar and relax a little bit. Oh my god, it has been such a chaotic weekend, man. Like, first of all, calm, and there's a bunch of stuff I was doing, तो वो सब कुछ hand off करना. So even with the, like 2 weeks, there was something we had to deliver, and somebody has to pick that up while I'm gone. And even in the Saturday Sunday, I was still working for it, so that was still going on. Plus, obviously, last minute packing, shopping, and yeah, this is where we're at. राइट नाउ सब कुछ खुला हुआ है, पैकिंग शैकिंग चल रही है. एंड आई मीन देयर सो मच दैट वन इज़ ऑलरेडी पैक्ड. सो आई थिंक या वी गोना हैव लाइक टोटल 4 लार्ज बैग्स दैट वी गोना चेक इन. एंड देन उसके बाद हैंड बैग वगैरह होपफुली सब कुछ हो जाता है. दिस इज़ बाय द वे 7th शाम के 5 बज रहे हैं. कल सुबह 8 बजे की फ़्लाइट है. एंड 2-3 बजे तो निकल ही जाएंगे प्रॉब्ली. या सो दैट्स द प्लान. लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोज़. Go, we are officially done. 4 bags ये चेक इन हो जाएंगे चारों के चार. एंड देन we'll just carry 1 हैंड बैग ईच. एवरीथिंग इज चार्ज्ड. सारे बैटरी बैंक चार्जिंग पे लगा दिए हैं. वी आर रेडी. लेट अस गो. इमिग्रेशन एंड सिक्योरिटी इज डन. एक तो हमारी फटी हुई थी बिकॉज इसका ई वीज़ा अकाउंट साइन अप वाली कुछ बुलशिट होती है वो नहीं हुई थी.
It was still showing like we can't show like proof of your status right now.
Yeah.
Something like that.
I mean, e-visa was issued like 2-3 हफ्ते पहले ही, but for some reason we were not able to view her. मेरा तो दिख रहा था, but हाँ ठीक है.
मैं नहीं जा रही थी तो कोई नहीं जा रहा था.
Yeah, but that happened.
I have an official thappa. My first thappa.
Yeah, congratulations.
Thank you.
Oh, duty free. Ooh. Do we want to
Makeup?
indulge?
Makeup? Yeah, I want to.
चलो देखते हैं क्या क्या है. This is the Bangalore duty free.
Should we look for a coach back?
No, we should not look for a coach bag. Okay. तो क्या टाइम हो गया? 4:42. 8 बजे की फ्लाइट है. 7:15 की बोर्डिंग है. We have around 2 hours to chill out here. 5 बजे सुबह खाएंगे भी क्या है हम लोग यहाँ पे बैठ
I
के.
am ready. Yeah,
To hit what?
everything except dosa because I've had enough of it for some time. I can't say.
But dosa is the one thing जो live बन रही है.
No, yeah, but I want to have that fruit thing. There is this fruit custard, something.
Okay, जाओ ले आओ. Yeah. So I got a crazy good deal. People might have been wondering कि मंडे क्यों जा रहे हैं, right? Because Saturday Sunday इंक्लूड करके 2 दिन और मिल जाते for the vacation. But we got a really good deal on this flight. Like I bought it for 7.5k Virgin points plus 7.5k in INR taxes. That is all. And Amex transfers at a 2:1 ratio to Virgin. So basically that means 15,000 Amex points and plus 7,000 in INR. And this flight is like direct flight from Bangalore to London, and which will cost you like a minimum of 50k, 60k even on a, like a good day. Like right now, if you check it, it'll be like more than a lakh. But yeah, it was just so you can say like more than 2 rupees or 2 rupees for Amex point value, which is
I don't know. I just want to talk about food, so they don't have enough options. I am quite disappointed.
यही होता है. और रात
they have
5 बजे they have nothing.
They have paratha, they have idli. Basically, they have Sri Vishnu's menu right now. So I got one strawberry ka jar. So yeah, and I'm
Actually,
gonna have some bread.
wait, can you put this here so that your voice also comes?
Okay. Can you all hear me now?
Yeah, you see this top page over bar hai.
Yeah.
It shows. This is all the Osmo, man. The Osmo, we are vlogging now, proper. एक डोसा, एक चीज़ ऑमलेट पेल चुके हैं. एंड वी जस्ट रियलाइज कि 10-15 मिनट ही हुए हैं अभी आए हुए हैं. एंड वी स्टिल हैव 2 hours to kill here.
This is take 2.
Yeah, we just recorded अभी जस्ट इससे पहले पूरा 3 मिनट का ये शॉर्ट. एंड माय माइक वाज नॉट ऑन, ऑफ कोर्स. कप ऑफ जूस गाइस, कप ऑफ जूस. And guys, please do not judge us. We are in vacation mode. और मैं UK जा रहा हूँ. UK में हर पब पे अगर मैंने बियर नहीं पी, of course not हर पब पे, but at every opportunity I get, I will. We found such a cozy spot यहाँ पे, and then I recorded this cozy spot, and once again my mic was off. Oh, and by the way, for you credit card geeks out there, the launch access for this one was availed through 2 cards. One is my HSBC Travel One card, and दूसरा is the Amex Platinum Charge card. So if you want to know more about those cards, I have videos about that on my channel. Go check it out. And trust me, if somebody says ना कि Accor conversion मत करा करो, it's not realistic, dude. It is realistic. अभी लंदन जा रहे हैं, मैं बताऊँगा. There are so many places that we're booking through Accor, and I'm staying for free just because I have those Accor points sitting in my account. नहीं तो लंदन में one random Ibis hotel in near the city center will cost you like 30k INR per night. So yeah, it does help a lot. What are your thoughts on the flight?
So pretty.
Yeah, it is actually
It's
very
so
pretty.
brown.
Yeah, and you get a headphone and a blanket. And we have landed in London. Let's go. Dude, like we slept almost like 8 hours out of the 10 of the flight. And like proper English weather. It is already raining. Leica mobile is on. Immigration is done, dude. कुछ टाइम ही नहीं लगा immigration में. Yeah, it's pretty fast.
Actually, my last answer is
That lady was very sweet though.
yeah.
बैगेज बेल्ट पे आ गए हैं. 4 बैग हैं हमारे पास. अब पता नहीं बस में वो हमें लेके जाने भी देगा कि नहीं. बट Yeah, you might have to pay extra. Let's see. We're going to the bus station. टाइम अभी क्या है? इज़ 3:15, 3:20. हाँ, ये बस है 4:20 की टू ब्रिस्टल. विच विल बी 2 hours फ्रॉम हेयर. तो वहाँ बैठ के चिल करेंगे अभी थोड़ी देर. We went to Mark and Spencer's. We bought some food. So let us go. I don't have anything to say. यहाँ पे I mean, जैसे थाईलैंड में देयर इज दैट वो ना अपना 7-Eleven everywhere. यहाँ पे दैट ब्रांड इज Marks and M&S and FWH Smith. Like $2, sorry, £2, £3. I mean, you can get entry level like sandwiches and stuff, which is fine. मतलब it's like कि तुम इंडिया के किसी expensive cafe में कर रहे हो, like a blue tokai for every meal. तो एक्सपेंसिव तो है नो डाउट. और वैसे भी पाउंड आजकल इट्स लाइक 130 टच हो गया. नहीं, इट्स 127 राइट नाउ. मैन इट्स द वर्स्ट टाइम टू स्पेंड इन पाउंड. बट ठीक है. Good thing that my brother has a lot of pounds because he's here, he earns here. That is where we're going, to Bristol. He's working in the hospital there. वो NHS में है. हो गई बात?
Yeah. He was shooting me all the time as well.
Yeah. ये खराब तो नहीं होंगे ना पक्का बाहर रख के?
मौसम देख रहे हैं?
मौसम तो मस्त है.
फ्रिज जितना है.
फ्रिज जितना तो नहीं है. इट्स लाइक ओह शिट, बारिश हो रही है दबा के. Baby potato salad.
My favorite. Okay.
Broken using the emergency
I think
handles provided. Toilet facilities are available.
So I think it's now 2 hours
Please take
for
care when
Bristol.
using these facilities. Washing your hands.
देखना पसंद करेंगे भी. ओए आराम से.
मेरे पास एनर्जी ही नहीं है यार ये सब करने की.
Just find it, man.
नहीं है.
अरे आपको मिल जाएगी, पता है जब introducing Dr. Suketu Batra. First time on the channel. Let's go, baby.
राइट साइड इसमें बैड है.
हाँ?
लेफ्ट साइड से इंट्रोड्यूस किया करो.
लेफ्ट साइड से लो कर लो.
हाँ. बैंक्सी का नाम सुना ना?
हाँ हाँ, बैंक्सी.
बैंक्सी ब्रिस्टल का है.
ओह.
बैंक्सी की बनाई हुई बहुत सारी स्ट्रीट आर्ट मिल जाएगी.
Exploring the city. We don't know yet. कोई तो बस आने वाली है जो हमने पकड़नी है.
Yeah.
बढ़िया. और ब्रिस्टल में दिन वैसे भी बहुत कम है, so
And right now it's what? It's 10 o'clock?
हाँ, by the way it's 10 PM here.
Yeah.
अभी usually the sun sets very late in summers
21.
here.
21, 8, 9, 8 degrees.
Yeah.
Crazy. It's so cool.
Yeah, it's so cool. मज़ा आ गया dude, मज़ा आ गया.